So I am go ahead and pick up the weaver gel. Try to get 6 like. Continue like that. Put this on this side for a second. And I'm gonna using a sugaring Snow White. And we're gonna sprinkle it in it. And make sure you have a top coat already, okay? Like either matte top coat or shiny top coat, because then that way when you sprinkle the glitter on, as sugar glitter, it will not stick on the nails. I mean the surface of the nails. And now we are going to cure this for 60 seconds. Put this back in. You get so much glitter, sugar glitter in here. It will last you probably for maybe another 10 years or less. And here is the first look of the nails. I get the pink one on my nails. You can do a fusioning underneath. Like yesterday I did the videos, the tutorial with fusioning. You can do fusioning, or if like like you want to get something is really cute and instant, you can get the chamfer foil. It will be really cute and easy and fast background for you. So now we'll go ahead and dust this like excess sugar glitter off. And then we're gonna go right into the crystal placement. So now with this one, because we're having a shiny, so I'm go ahead and using a shiny, which is condensed glue gel, Snow White top coat, and then a precision glue gels later. This 3 bestie will always back you up every single time when you're doing your crystal placement, so you don't have to worry about, you know, they're coming off. Or I am go ahead and apply this right about half of the nails, because the sugaring is already there. So we're not going to cover the sugaring unless you want to, or your clients just want to. But I will suggest not, because then that way they can see the beautiful of the sugaring and then the texture of it. Floating the No Wipe top coat shiny. Make sure they are blending it nicely. Okay. And then what color? Nude on nude or red?
Red. I usually use this did red, so do purple.
You want purple? What purple? This purple or this purple?
You just done the heart, so do radiant.
Ah. Okay. It's really heavy. Give it a little bit pressure down. I'm gonna do it too cute. This is all from the centerpiece kit, and also the starter, the Valentine starter that I'm using. And here is come with the cuties bows. And another. You can add some bits on. Actually, the purple looks cute. You'll never go wrong with that. The centerpiece is just so adorable. And there's a great thing about the centerpiece is a crystal centerpiece is like if you love to doing like all metal frames, but then you don't want to spend all the times, or the clients don't have enough time to like doing it in longer session, and you can able to offers really nice crystal placement and designs. Great. So we're happy with this. We're going to Kia for 60 seconds.